केंद्र सरकारान नव्यान हाडिल्ल्या बंदर कायदो 2021 लागून गोयच्या अस्तित्वाक भिरांत आसा। राज्यांतल्यो पंचायती, पालिका, जिल्हा पंचायत तशेंच विंगड प्राधिकरणाचे अधिकारय धोक्यात येवपाची भिरांत आसा। ताका लागून गोयच्या तीनय खासदारांनी तशेंच मुखेलमंत्र्यान फुडाकार घेवन हो कायदो बेगीनूच रद्द करचो म्हूण मागणी आदले मुखेलमंत्री तशेंच काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी लुइजिनो फलेरोन केल्या। अर्डेक्स गो खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
हो जो कायदो हाडला मेजर पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीज ऍक्ट 2021 हो कायदो आमची गोंयांत जे कायदे आहाय गोंया एनवायरमेंट आहा हाका उज पेटयतलो आनी देखून हाचेर आमी ताबडतोब चळवळ करपाची गरज आहा। आनी ह्या लुइजिनो फलेर सांगना आतां हांवें तुमकां सांगलां हे गोंयचो डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर बाबू कवळेकर सांगता जेन्ना गोंयचे विधानसभेत हांवें प्रश्न विचारलो LAQ नंबर 095 of 29/7/2021 हांवें प्रश्न विचारलो जो मेजर पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीज ऍक्ट 2021 जो हाडला हाचेर गोंयचेर गोंयकारांचेर आनी गोंयचे जे कायदे आहात हाचेर कितें वायट परिणाम जातलो तो म्हणटा हे सगळे कायदे आहाय it is overriding all the laws. It implies that the government is aware that a major port authorities bill which has been tabled and passed in the parliament has the potential to usurp the powers of the state and local bodies, land use and town planning. It is very shocking that out of the 3 members of parliament, 2 members of Lok Sabha, 1 member of Rajya Sabha, our member of North Goa Lok Sabha is a minister for this portfolio. He is a minister of state. He is also not mentioned anything. आज हांव एक डिमांड करता की हो जो कायदो हाडला हो कायदो गोंयचेर हाड, हो कायदो गोंयकारांचेर हाड, हो कायदो गोंयकारांनी आमची एक आयडेंटिटी कश्ट काडून त्रास काडून बणकोण सोसून पुलिसाच्या लाडयो सोसून जी घडून हाडल्या ही आयडेंटिटी वी विल मेंटेन एंड वी विल प्रोटेक्ट अंडर एनी कॉस्ट. सो माय फर्स्ट अपील टू ऑल द 3 members of parliament, immediately they have to explain to the Goans what is their role, and if they have no role they have to immediately get this act cancelled. We don't want an act where our panchayat will have to go to Delhi, where our municipalities will have to go to Delhi, or where they will decide without even consulting the local self-government, without consulting this, as it is replied by our own minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Kawalekar. So this is my first that all the 3 MPs must take it up and ensure that this law is rescinded, is withdrawn. As I am totally against this law, I am sure everybody in Goa, once they come to know, they will oppose this act. I feel strongly that the said law must be repealed without any further delay in the interest of our state. This is my first demand. I also call upon all the village panchayats, Zilla panchayats and municipalities to convene their Gram Sabhas and convene special meetings and oppose this draconian law which has potential of usurping the powers of the local authorities.